Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce how to connect to poster screens and up on separate effects, how to make to poster screens, display one image or video together, and how to replace an image or video on already connected poster screens. Open the Vplex Handy app, Tabad device. Use the Wi-Fi ID to identify the first device you want to access. Select Solutions Management, tap on K. Top Media at the bottom of the screen. Choose the photo or video file you like, then tapping Pool in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the Publish Shanghai, then Top Publisher the bottom, top Go Back to Home the bottom, top Save on Exit. This image or video has already been uploaded to the first device. Next, use the Wi-Fi ID to identify the second device you want to access. Top Devices. Select the second device you want to connect to on Top Connect. Select Solutions Management. Top the picture or video uploaded earlier. Click on the Publish Shanghai, then Top Publisher the bottom, Go Back to Home the bottom. Both devices display individual images or videos that have been uploaded. This is an HDMI connector with two ends. Connect the first signal port to the HDMI out of the first device and the second signal port to the HDMI in of the second device. Tabad device. Identify the device to access via Wi-Fi ID. Click on the device. Select Solutions Management. Swipe down and tap Restore. Press the multi-screen mosaic button. These two devices can display the effect of stitching together an image or video. Select Solutions Management, tap on K. Top Media at the bottom of the screen. Choose the photo or video file you like, then tapping Pool in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the Publish Shanghai, then Top Publisher the bottom, top Go Back to Home the bottom. This way, both devices will display the effect of the other image or video you have replaced.